Hi guys, Philipp from Pink Tassel here and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I will show you how I make this beautiful little side table. So if you want to see how I transform trash into treasure, keep on watching. You probably already noticed that I have only 2 legs out of 4, so I have to come up with a solution how to make this table more stable. So I went to Michael's and I got this wooden board that I'm gonna use as a bottom platform so I can screw the legs straight to this platform and it's gonna give me more stability. The assembly part is complete. I put 4 screws to the bottom plaque and 2 to the top. It also has a middle pin that gives more stability, so I think we can proceed to priming step. And finally, here we are, the project is complete. At the very last moment I decided to spice it up a little bit with the golden parts, and I'm really liking it. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.